Hey everybody, it's Bobby here. Back in the day, many days ago, my brother and I had a television show called Road Tasted, and it was so much fun. We traveled all over the country and went to so many different small businesses, and we met so many cool people and ate so much great food, and it was a super experience. So from Road Tasted, Jamie and I put out a book called Recipes from the Road, which was very well received, and I still love it. It's one of my favorite books, and I make stuff out of it all the time. We're going to do a little, I don't know what you would call this. It's not exactly an hors d'oeuvre. It's kind of just a treat, maybe. And I don't remember where in the world this might have been inspired from. We did go to Wisconsin and do some cheese, and maybe it's that. I don't know. Certainly not complicated, very simple. And it involves blue cheese. So if you don't like blue cheese, go ahead and avert your eyes and your tongue right now. But some things that I really like together, I love walnuts, and I love red grapes, purple grapes, and I love cheese. And if you don't like blue cheese, you could certainly go with like a soft Gruyere or something like that. Your choice, because blue can be a little bit strong. And it's just as simple as you probably imagine it is. All I'm going to do is take that walnut, spread a little blue cheese on it, and I'm going to top it the red seedless grape. And it's a wonderful little simple snack. So if you made, I don't know, a little tray full of them, and you're having friends over, for whatever occasion. These are great little treats to have out for them to offer.
Yeah, you go to a cocktail party and you serve something like this. And you're like, gosh, I know. And it tastes so good. It's like, I never thought of doing something like that.
Yeah, so great, so simple. You might want to ask everybody to brush their teeth right after they finish the blue cheese. Like,
flavors.
How you doing? How are you? But very simple, yet kind of elegant, I think.
Very classy.
Maybe you think that also. Look at them. Really simple, really pretty, kind of a classy little something between a treat, a snack, and an hors d'oeuvre. Blue cheese bites on walnuts with seedless red grape on top. Delicious little snack. So try some for your next party.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.